Allegedly, the result was declared, but there was no panel. From the very first day.
Sir, read the full sentence.
No. Your petition said that notification for the procedure was started for appointment 10.
After the notification.
After the notification, procedure was started for appointment from October to December 2016. The interview and verification process started from such and such date. Allegedly, result was declared, but there was no panel, there was no merit list, there was no category was merit list, there was no division of number, and rank was given to anyone. This is my 2016 recruitment process, my lord. Let us understand the vacancy first. There were
similarly situated with Priyanka.
No. But vacancy in 2016 recruitment process, vacancy were divided in two categories. One is earmarked and other one is non-earmarked. Within the earmarked category,
earmarked, non-earmarked?
I'm describing. Within earmarked category, PH, physically handicapped, ex-servicemen, para-teachers and exempted are there. And in non-earmarked category, general, SC, ST, OBC, OBCB are there. General means unreserved. General reservation is not there. General seats means unreserved. Unreserved, SC reserved, ST reserved, OBC A reserved, OBCB reserved. That is non-earmarked.
Where do we get that?
From the advertisement itself. For notification
that is 29th of you are referring to 26 September 2016.
Yes, Manoj. But what I'm saying is, Manoj, for PH,
please give us a copy.
But I'm giving, Manoj. I'm giving. But let me say, for PH, for ex-serviceman, for para-teacher, for exempted, seats were reserved. They had a specific reserved seat for them. For example, for 10 seats were reserved for para-teachers. For 5 seats were reserved for ex-servicemen. For exempted, few seats were reserved. That is called earmarked vacancies.
Very good.
And rest portion were non-earmarked. That was open to unreserved, SC reserved, ST reserved, OBC A reserved, and OBCB reserved.
Yes.
In the writ petition, my lord, kindly, it was argued, but I would like to open my argument with the one saying, our ancient wisdom has warned us about the danger of the injustice in selection. Adharma pujyate tada vinasha. That means when the undeserving are rewarded, destruction and society of justice is inevitable. Here, my lord, merit was denied, corruption was given priority. Why I'm saying so? When it kindly comes to page number 39 of paper book number 1. It was specifically argued that in the writ petition, there was nothing about corruption. There was nothing about panel. But kindly, I would like to refer a few paragraphs only first from the writ petition. I'm just mentioning the paragraphs. Priyanka, starts. When it kindly comes to paragraph 39, paper book 1, page 39, I have categorically stated that there was
paragraph here
paragraph page 39.
Yes.
Paragraph 10 second portion from 31 top. Allegedly, the result was declared, but there was no panel. From the very first day.
Sir, read the full sentence.
No. Your petition said that notification for the procedure was started for appointment 10.
After the notification.
After the notification, procedure was started for appointment from October to December 2016. The interview and verification process started from such and such date. Allegedly, result was declared, but there was no panel, there was no merit list, there was no category was merit list, there was no division of number, and rank was given to anyone. This is my specific case in the writ petition, my lord. Next, my lord, next paragraph kindly comes to page number 32.
No, what do you mean to say? No panel, I can understand that there was
no panel. There was no panel, firstly. As per rule 8.5, I will take your lordship to that rule even. As per rule 8.5,
so where is the provision in the advertisement that merit list has to be in
I'm first, let me.
So do we find merit list in the recruitment rules? Do we find merit list?
The panel in recruitment rules, panel is there.
Panel is there.
Panel.
Panel is not defined. It is said in anyway. But where do you, this is what sort of I don't understand. What is the allegation here?
Though no panel was ever published.
Very
That is my
good.
first allegation.
Very good. So you can restrict it that no panel publication. Very good. Yes.
And Rule 85 says about category of the panels.
You
that
will
was
come
not
to
done.
that.
I will not. Next, my lord, kindly comes to page 32.
If you can give me us the paragraph.
My lord, I'm just
Page
paragraph 11, 12, 13. But I'm just referring the pages. That will be easier without killing time.
32 is the cost title.
Page
Oh, internal page you're saying?
40. Page 40, my lord. Page 40.
Yes, yes.
Page 40.
Yes.
Paragraph 12.
12.
Paragraph 13.
Mr. Tiwari, tell us which one, what, you will elaborate later.
Yes, ma'am.
10, 11, 12, 13.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. In this paragraphs, my lord, I have categorically stated that there was no panel, first. Second, I have categorically stated about scams. I have categorically stated that reservation roster, which is one of the foundation of the judgment of the Honorable Single Bench, was not followed. These are the major points in the writ petition, my lord. Scams, I have referred to the statements given by political leaders. They have stated in primary selection process, on the last occasion, one of the appellant placed a particular portion before your lordship, stating that 1 extra marks was given to some of the appellants, and by that they got the job. That is a part of the scam, my lord. 1 extra marks was awarded. I have categorically stated that all this thing happened, my lord. Now, my lord, I will like to take your lordship to the selection procedure. Firstly, my lord, definition of panel. My lord, kindly comes to page number 111 of the rules.
Mr. Tiwari, why didn't you disclose that some of the petitioners who are reserved candidates were parties to another writ petition?
That was mentioned.
Which paragraph?
In last paragraph. I'm coming.
Paragraph 28 said that you have,
28.
those were completely different. What was the difference?
The difference is that before 28/11/2022, no breakup of score was published. Before 28/11/2022, I had no occasion, the petitioner had no occasion to raise the dispute in a concrete way, to produce documentary evidence to show that reservation roster was not followed. For the first time, in the name of publishing panel, breakup of score of empaneled candidate was published. Before that, I cannot raise any question about reservation without knowing the same.
That was published on
28/11/2022.
Yes.
But kindly comes to page number.
Para 28.
28 I have mentioned, my lord. But kindly comes to page number 111. And page number 112, that is panel, definition of panel. 2L. Panel means a list of names of the eligible and selected candidates for the appointment as teacher in the primary school, published by the board according to the rules. And I'm asking the question to myself, till date, after publication of the breakup of the score, of the specific order of this honorable court, no panel was ever published. In the name of panel, 1 breakup of score was published. Why I am saying so, my lord? With this, kindly comes to Rule 8.